And back with the second part of this, so we get rid of this one. This one is pretty much done, and as I said in the last video, we're going to take this one, which is pretty scabby, and we're going to start on it. So a lot of this is going to be time lapse, so let's get going. Okay, so remove the center cap. It's important to mention as well that when you're working on something like this, especially more so on the back, that's all brake dust, so you want to wear a mask. It's not good for you to be breathing in that shit. Okay, let's get going. Electric sander, I guess. So we'll blow it off. Now remember, hang on. This was the worst of the wheels. Now you might, well, kind of hard with time lapse, but I paid a lot of attention to the rim area all the way around. And what you want to be doing is where you have, you can see there's some small imperfections there, which will get filled. But what you want to be doing is you want to be feathering towards the edge of the rim. And what I mean by that is you want to be taking the paint and the primer that it's almost sanded away. You see there's bare alloy there, towards the edge of the rim. Now I'll finish it off with some water paper. Just may give that another rub now, and we'll come back then and focus. We'll come back then and put some filler in it. Now, as I said in the last video, you can see that's where one of the big chunks was, and again I paid a lot of attention to this, where I flattened it out towards the edges of the spoke and here. And the idea of that is if you leave like a divot there and you just put filler in it, there's a pretty good chance it'll fall out. So if you have it feathered out like that, the amount of filler that you're putting in is going to be so minute and small that it's not really going to fall out, you know, because it's going to be very thin. And let's get at it with some water paper. Okay, we'll leave it there for this video. So what you're seeing in this video has taken about 45 minutes in real time. There's still paint on the wheel, and the reason I haven't taken all that off is I am not finished sanding this wheel, because what I want to do in the next video, I'm going to fill the imperfections, if the camera will focus. Come on. That's it. So I want to get all that stuff filled. A few little nicks and marks here and there. A couple of bits on the rim here. Might need to hit that with the electric sander again just to get that flat. The nick there, just there where my thumb is, another one here. But by and large, most of the damage, 90% of it sanded out. So it just goes to show you that no matter how scabby looking a set of rims are, it's amazing what you can do when you start sanding stuff. So okay, we'll leave it there for this video, and the next video we'll show you how to mix up a bit of Bondo and put it into the imperfections. This is George EI 7 Kilo Oscar. Be delighted if you'd subscribe if you're new here, and I kind of do videos on all sorts of different things, and lots of stuff of my car of late, because I just I'm like a child with a new toy. So there you go, 73, and we'll get you again in the next one. All the best, bye bye.